Hi, lovely people. How are you? So, if you read from my title, I'm going to be unboxing a new subscription to me called the JoahBox. So, this is the October 2018 JoahBox. But before I begin, if you're wondering what is on my face, check the description bar. Box, whatever you want to call it, and I'll have everything there. I'm going to start do that every video because I do get asked a lot what is on my face, so check that out and you will know. All right, so JoahBox did get in touch with me and they asked me if I would consider reviewing this on my channel, and when I found out it was a K-Beauty subscription, I was like, absolutely. So this is a $33 a month subscription, so it's a little pricey. So I did ask them if I can give you guys a coupon code, and they got back to me within a couple hours with my coupon code. So it is ANN10. I will leave everything down below, and that'll save you 10%. So every little bit helps. But with K-Beauty products, especially skincare can be a little bit more pricey than just an average makeup subscription. So it is worth it to pay a few extra dollars. Now, in this subscription, you can get anywhere from skincare, makeup, nail care, beauty tools. It's a mixture, and you are guaranteed to get anywhere between 5 to 7 full-size items each month. So I haven't even opened this up, so let's just open this up and see what we got. I am really excited because I have said before, I'm really into skincare as I'm aging. You know, skincare is so good to even start, even when you're younger and you think, you know, like when you're in your 20s and think, well, I don't need to do it. But even if you just start by moisturizing or doing a face mask once a week, it really does make a difference. So, all right, so this is what it looks like. It's a little bent, but it's coming from South Korea, so it's in pretty good shape. So let's see, when you open the box, this is what it looks like, if it will focus. Okay, so let's see. So this says October JoahBox Fall Adventures. It's like a little pamphlet, which is good. Okay, so it tells you what everything is. It even gives you prices, which I like. So let's just begin. All right, so the first thing I see is like this little card. And this just says JoahBox Korean Beauty Subscription Box. Okay, so I don't know if the 10 of spades mean anything. Adventures, okay. Anyway, the first thing that I'm pulling out, and this is what it looks like when you take everything out, is these pony effect lashes, and they look beautiful. Now, I don't really wear lashes, but my 18-year-old daughter wears lashes, and she's actually going to come home this week, and she hasn't came home in 2 months, and I'm so excited. She's in college, if I didn't tell you. But she wears lashes, and she's going to actually show me how to put them on. So I'm going to be practicing how to put lashes on this weekend. So that's exciting. And these are really, really pretty. And I like how they're like wispy, how they're like small in the front and larger, because I do have slightly hooded eyes. So that's great. All right, I didn't even read up about it. Let's see how much they are. So this would be $20. Okay, and then it tells you how to use trim lashes to fit eye shape if necessary. Apply a thin layer of glue, include it. Oh, good, so you get glue that's included in here. So that's good. All right, the next thing is this box called the Glow Hill Total Solution Glow. Right there, and I never heard of this company before, but we got this sticking out. All right, so what is this? So this is $12. It says Glow Hill okay, let me see. It's a practical perfume brush. We are introducing these 7-day intensive care pads. It comes also in 3 weeks version as well. The pads are highly concentrated with African walnut oil and squalane. I don't know if I'm saying that right. How to use. After cleansing, gently wipe the pad along your face and neck once a day for 7 days. Joah tip. These pads are full of ample, so you can apply the rest of it all over your elbows and knees. So that's good. I guess it's like how if you use a sheet mask, how you put it on and there's always some like stuff in the sheet mask, and then what I usually do is kind of pour it on my hand. I put it on my face, my neck, my arms. So that's good. So I guess there's Okay, so I guess there's one in here for 7 days, so you have 7 of them. So that is really exciting to try. I've never heard of these. Comment down below if you heard of these, if you heard of the brand. I'm really interested, and I did tell you I think it's $12. All right, so this is exciting. Okay, the next thing is from Skin. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Satin Shadow and Fixer, right there. And let's see what this is. Okay, so this is $13, but what is it? We picked 3 shades, Champagne, Goodnight, Copper. What did I get? Okay, so I got Goodnight Copper. How to use: apply the primer / fixer side first on your eyelid, then apply the shadow. Okay. One thing I do like about subscription boxes too is that you get to try these brands and new products that I would never even have heard of or even bought. So that's what it looks like. Right there. Let's see. All right, so, okay, so this is like a little, looks like a concealer, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, it feels like a concealer. Right there. You guys can see. And this would be, let's put a little bit more on. Okay, so it is buildable. I want to see if it was buildable. So I guess you would put it on kind of like a primer, I guess. And then, let's see. You would open this up. Okay, and then you put this on top. Oh, that's pretty. All right, I'm going to put some also over here just to see the color without it on the primer. So this is a copper shade. Okay. So there it is right there when it's not on the primer, and right there is what it looks like if it was on the primer. I kind of like it better when it's not on the primer. But I'm going to try it both ways and see. I'm so excited. And it actually is drying down, which is really good. All right, so I don't know if I told you that was $13. Okay, 2 more things. This is from April Skin. This is Medeca Solution Cream right there. And what is this? So this would be $25. And what is this? This is a moisturizing and hydrating with a creamy texture, creating a moisture barrier, strengthening the skin, and helps absorb beneficial substances. How to use: apply on clean skin after toner daily. So it's like a moisturizer, and it's a good thing because it kind of does what like a primer does before you put your foundation on. So I'm excited to try that as well. And last but not least is a sheet mask. And this is Baby Face Injection. And I love the Korean packaging. I love it. Like all their sheet masks. All right, so this would be, it says 3.5, so I guess $3.50. And it's a sheet mask. What does it say? We picked 3 variations, and I got the baby face. You could have got the water glow or the antioxidant, and I have the baby face. So this is exciting. So we got the face mask. We got this moisturizer, which I'm excited to try. We got a makeup product, which is really nice that it comes with like kind of like a primer and then the shadow. So I've never tried anything like this. We got these, which I'm definitely excited to try. And then the extra liquid, I'm going to put it on my knees and my elbows. And what else? And then we got the lashes that are really, really pretty. So in the description box as well, I will add everything up and put the total value in the description box. So what do I think of this? I really, really like it. I just love getting K-beauty things. I used to get, like when I first started my channel, I used to get one called Balmy. I believe Balmy Bag and Balmy Boom, or I forget what it was. But it also came from South Korea, and I really, really liked it. The only problem was everything was full size and was all skincare, and it was a monthly subscription, so I was getting another subscription and I wasn't done what I was using in that month, that prior month. So I used to get so many things, I had to stop getting it. But I really liked it. And I like the fact that you get, because for me, I don't always like getting everything makeup. I like the variation of getting hair care or skin care or makeup. And this is what it is. But let me know what you think. Would you get this? Let me know. I think it's a great subscription. It's different, and I really like it. And, you know, I know not everybody wears lashes, but you can always give it away, but I am glad to get it because I'm going to be trying it out. But everything else, I am so excited to get. Like I said, let me know in the comments, what do you think of this box? Are you going to try it? Do you get it? Have you heard of this subscription before? Let me know. And if you have any, if you do get any K-Beauty subscriptions, let me know in the comments below what you do get. But anyway, guys, please like this video. It really helps me out. Make sure you comment. I still have my giveaway that's going on until the 31st. It is in the questions with the assumption video. Somewhere in there, I have a hidden video, so make sure that you watch. Hidden giveaway, make sure you watch that. And like always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, until my next video. Bye.